Hi, today we're here with a 1994 512 TR Ferrari. And as you can see, it's black and in need of some good cleaning. Looks like it's been an everyday driver for the past couple of years and really enjoyed on the roads here in Atlanta. So what we want to start off with is first getting the wheels and tires cleaned. We're going to go through the paint, we're going to wash it with a gentle cleansing shampoo, just safely removing all the surface contamination. And from that point, what we'll use is a detailing clay. What detailing clay is, it's a very soft, malleable, polymer-based clay. It looks kind of like silly putty. And by using it, we'll exfoliate the paint, pulling all the surface contamination out of the paint that's become embedded into that clear coat. Well, now that we have the paint completely washed, clean, and exfoliated without any surface contamination in the surface, we're going to start taping the edges and the seams so we can begin buffing. By buffing, we're going to actually shave into this top portion of the paint in order to fix and correct the swirl marks that have already been put in place. This car's been buffed pretty hard a couple of times, and you can see it in the paint where the light is actually refracting rather than reflecting. On the interior of the car, it looks like it's been just as much enjoyed inside as it has outside. So we'll go through the carpeting, we'll shampoo it, we'll clean and condition the leather. So here we are hours later. We've actually labored on this car all day. We hand glazed it with a product that really makes the paint supple and nice and moisturized, and then we've applied an ivory carnauba by hand and then polished that off. It's good to go. It actually looks like a $90,000 Ferrari.